વહાલા આદિનાથ મેં તો પકડ્યો તારો હાથ, મને દેજો સદા સાથ હો. વહાલા આદિનાથ હો, આવ્યો તુમ પાસ લઈ મુક્તિની આશ, મને કરશો ના નિરાશ.
Welcome back to my channel, myself Amulya. Today our guest of honor is Dr. Manika. He will be telling you his experience of traveling from Mumbai Ghatkopar to Palitana, Gujarat, and where he has gone to his Dharma Kshetra in Dharmasthal, where he has seen many Tirthankaras visited their temple. So if you
I am Manikant Rodaya from Hubli, and I have been on a cycle trip from Ghatkopar, Mumbai to Palitana in Gujarat.
So what motivated you to do this?
One of my nephews was on a trip and he had visited my home in Hubli. And so he told me about his plan, and I thought this was a great opportunity for me, because I am a bicycle lover, and I thought with two youngsters along with me, they would be of great help to support me.
That is it.
So,
At this age you are doing it, so
yes,
that
because
is it.
because they were there, I had the opportunity. Otherwise, it would not have been possible for me to go, because there were two youngsters who could support me if I was in trouble. So that's why I grabbed this opportunity with both hands and went.
Made you like only go to Palitana, because Gujarat is so beautiful, so you could have gone to any other destination. Why only Palitana?
Palitana is one of the most important religious places for Jainism. Okay, and most people, it's like a pilgrimage, and that motivates you much more when you're cycling. You know that okay, you're going to a pilgrimage spot which is known as Shatrunjaya. Okay, it is one of the most important places in Jainism. So that motivates you further to ride a bicycle.
And how many days it takes to go to Palitana from Mumbai?
For us, from here, from Ghatkopar, it is around 650 to 660 kilometers.
So how many
So
nights were
we
there?
rode about 110 to 120 kilometers per day on an average.
Okay.
Some days more, some days less. So we took 6 days to reach our destination.
Okay. So you stayed in Dharamshala or hotels?
No, we usually stayed in Dharmashala because it also gives you more peace in the Dharmashala, and there's a temple there. So
So what kind of food you eat?
we eat Jainism, only
Okay,
Jain food. Only Jain food. So the Jain food, the dinner gets over by around 5:45, 6 o'clock.
Okay.
So we eat before dark. So and it's pure Jain food and very healthy and very soft and easy on your stomach.
So like you loved your experience of traveling?
Oh, it was a tremendous experience. It has still not sunk into me.
Okay.
I've still not
You feel
realized that I have finished.
You feel still you want to do such more trips?
Oh, if I have such a company, it will be wonderful.
We should also join the Monday.
Yes, please do come.
So prior practice or prior this thing, what plannings you did?
Yeah, once my nephew told me that about this trip, and I took one day to decide. I had already decided, but then there's always in the back of your mind, at my age, is it going to be difficult? But then I realized that my younger friends and nephews are there, and I will not get this opportunity again. So the moment he told me, I started practicing every day.
So how much it would cost you to come? Very
Train journey from here to Mumbai, and then absolutely nothing, and then return train journey from Palitana to Mumbai and Mumbai to Hubli. That's all my cost.
Food cost?
Dharamshala
Oh, that's
is very not free, but just a token amount.
Okay.
Hardly a token amount, so it is negligible amount spent on the trip.
The experience and your food and all was very less.
Very less. You have to, because you cycle, you can't eat a lot.
No, that is also there.
Okay, you have to have light food and keep on going.
So traveling by bus or train is better, or traveling by cycle is better for this kind
Cycle,
of-
you can't compare. You can't compare. Cycle is in sort of an adventure trip. See, it
But
takes
Dharamshala
time.
जाने का
It
मतलब
takes
तो
time. No, it takes time. So the thing with cycling is you go to every town, you see the town, you enjoy it, you see the people, the food around, the people
So
around.
people don't prefer cycle to go to a pilgrimage place. वो तो बोलते हैं
No, modern day nobody will go. Nobody will go because there's train, air, there's bus.
Oh, that's right.
So this is, you enjoy the trip as you go along, you see the people around, the place around. That itself is wonderful. It's a different experience. You can't compare.
There is Mahavira temple or Kirtankara. I mean,
They're all Tirthankars. They're all Tirthankars, different Tirthankars. Different temples have different
So
Tirthankars.
in your Palatana, which Kirtankara was there?
Adinath Bhagwan.
Okay, Adinath Bhagwan. That is good. So riding cycle is an enthusiasm for you, I
It's a
think.
passion.
A passion.
Yeah, it's a passion.
So Tam, how many days you are practicing with your passion?
When we ride, all these years we've been riding, but for this trip specially, I've been practicing seriously for the last 2 months.
Okay.
So every day we ride 30 kilometers, 40 kilometers, sometimes 100 kilometers. We need to practice. We can't just come and ride. Yes. And at my age it is very difficult.
So what was your target basically? Only Palatana or anything?
At the moment, Palitana. Tomorrow we will decide again to go somewhere else. So this was a good experience and we learned a lot from this. So
what
it
do
gives
you
you more confidence.
So what
that
would you
way-
like to tell the youngsters about it? Youngsters or whoever would travel like you, any experience?
Go about, not only about your work, but you have to go enjoy the world. It also gives a good amount of exercise. You see places around, you enjoy the people around.
Because I see people taking a shortcut away to experience their life. But how did you feel like going like this?
I told my nephews were there and they told me, luckily he told me that. If he had not told me, I would have missed the trip. He told me and I took it, grabbed the opportunity. I was not confident in the beginning, but first day when it was over, I was fairly sure I could do it.
So anywhere else you are planning now?
See,
for
now at the moment, I just want to enjoy the moment and enjoy
sink
all
into
these
that.
days what I have done. And then I will think I am.
Sink into that.
Yes,
So next
yes.
time you're carrying auntie also with you.
No.
She
Not
won't
possible
come.
on a bicycle. If at all, she will come in the car along
Okay.
if required. So, no, she will not be.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So if you like my video, please do share, comment and subscribe to my channel and help me or comment in the comments below such